Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
If they hear Srimad Bhagavatam, then their hearts will change.
Certainly. Yesterday, somebody has thanked to our student that, oh, we are so obliged to you that you are supplying Bhagavatam. Is it not? Somebody has said?
Yes.
Tripurari.
Ah, Tripurari. Yes.
Yes.
Somebody said like that?
There's two boys yesterday at the airport. They bought 2 sets of Srimad Bhagavatam. Complete? 6 volumes. They held their Bhagavatams. Thank you very much. And then they put them in their lockers and they were walking, waiting for their plane. They each had the first.
Any sincere man will feel obliged of all this propaganda movement. By distributing these books, you are doing a great service to Krishna. He wanted to say everyone, Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mamekam Saranam. He comes therefore. So anyone who is doing the same service, they surrender to Krishna. He is recognized by Krishna. Very nice. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Nachatasmat manusheshu. In the human society, nobody is dearer than him who is helping preaching work.
We are simply your puppets, Srila Prabhupada. You're giving us the books.
No, we are all set up puppets of Krishna. I am also puppet. Puppet. This is disciplic succession. We have to become puppet. As I am puppet of my Guru Maharaj, if you become my puppet, then that is success. Our success is there when we become puppet of the predecessor. Tadera charana sevi bhakta shaneva. To live in the society of devotees and to become puppet of the predecessor Acharya. This is success. So we are trying to do that. Krishna consciousness society and serve the predecessor. That's Hare Rama. People will come, people will appreciate our propaganda. It will take some time.
They are appreciating more now than 4 years ago. They are starting to understand the genuine philosophy.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna